I just picked up a bunch of new fragrances. Mancera Lemon Lime. I'm actually really looking forward to this one. Very lemony from what I hear. Toscano Leather. Yes, I had to. I had to add it to my collection. Starman. Flabbergasted by the presentation so far on this. And then Ministry of Oud Satin. I'm actually really looking forward to this one. I had a friend of mine share with me Oud Satin Mood, and it was really nice. Toscano Leather. Let's take a look at this one first. And actually, I've not been disappointed about Maison Alhambra to this day. I picked up a bunch of their fragrances and I haven't been disappointed. Hopefully it's similar to Tuscan Leather. I'm really looking forward to it. Whoa, hold on here. Wow, I get the same quality that I find in Ombre Leather. Ombre Leather is one of my favorite fragrances ever. Super assertive. I feel so confident when I wear Ombre Leather. And I get the same feeling with this. This is actually astonishing. This was actually one of the most expensive ones out of the entire line for me. This was right around $30-ish in that area. So, but it's well worth it. I'm amazed at this. We're off to a great start. Oh my God. Lemon Lime, let's talk about it. It's the standard Mancera boxes. These are always great, really. You pop it open and they have a little sleeve in here. I have never had a 60 ml of a Mancera. So I actually messed up. I wanted to add another 4-ounce bottle of Mancera to my collection, but for some reason it escaped and I got the 60 ml. It's a cute bottle. This is cute. Pretty, oh, and it has a magnetic cap. Actually, this is a pretty dope bottle. Anyway, I thought I bought the bigger bottle. I thought I bought the 4-ounce just for my collection's sake, like the aesthetic of my collection. I thought it would be better. But it might be a good thing because if this sucks, has a pressurized atomizer, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Getting a lot of lemon, but a pleasant lemon. Not like, actually, it is coming across a little bathroom cleaner. Lemon Plage Eau de Toilette. It is nice. It is really nice. I feel like once this dries down a little bit, it's gonna be really, really nice. I am picking up what a lot of people on Fragrantica said. They said that this smells like one of those lemon heads, the lemon candies. And I'm actually picking it up. I'm picking up that kind of lemon Jolly Rancher lemon stuff going on. I don't even know if Jolly Rancher has a lemon flavor, but if they did, this is what it would smell like. Fresh, aromatic, lemon, a lot of lemon at the top, and then like some musky, woodsy kind of thing going on. Very beautiful. Springtime, here I come. Talk about Ministry of Oud. I have to say the box is actually amazing. This is a really nice texture on here, and then down here, it's really dope. Look at this. It's actually embossed here too. Oh my God. The nice golden pattern. I used to have like bed sheets like this, and I sold them. You know, I was going through my royalty phase where, you know, I was trying to like take care of myself a lot more. You know, the phase like right after a breakup. This is amazing. Look, this is a nice bottle. This is like heavy. Paris Corner at the top there. The cap feels like cheap plastic, but it's all right. It is all right. It slides onto place there. Ministry of Oud at the top there. It's a beautiful bottle. It's got a little plaque here and it's kind of glossy finish. It's like one of those sticker things, you know, that they put on bottles. All right, Ministry of Oud. Let's take a look and see if it's any good. The atomizer is all right. Nice distribution. Smells nice. Whew, that smells really nice. What in the air? It's just, I think maybe that's saffron up there in the air. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. A friend of mine shared with me Oud Satin Mood by MFK. Joe, if you're watching this, shout out to you, man. But he shared with me it and sprayed it on my hand and I loved it. I loved it. I had to look into getting this one, absolutely. Because I can't afford the MFK one, so I went with this one. And my God, this is so good. It's a pleasant oud too. It's nothing really off-putting. This is a beautiful kind of oudy fragrance. I'm a little mixed on oud. It can either come across really just dirty, gross, or it can be pleasant like this is. I can't wait to start spending some more time with this. It's starting to heat up. It's, you know, coming into springtime, so I'm not gonna be able to wear it all that much, but when it does get into cooler evenings and cooler times, I'm gonna definitely pull it out. Let's see if this is a knock out of the park haul. Let's take a look at Star Men. This is weird. I'm just gonna be honest, the box looks like it was sold at like a dollar store or Five Below. It looks ridiculous. Who is this even by? Fragrance World. Fragrance World. Dude, get on a better presentation here. And right out of the butt, the presentation has not improved since the box. So the presentation here is terrible. This is awful. This is the lowest my collection will ever get. The cap here is just, this is atrocious. This is what happens when you don't hire a graphic designer. This is what happens when your graphic designer uses Windows Paint. Hopefully the juice smells good, but honestly, if Jen Sense did not review this, I would not want to spray this on skin. I'm just gonna be honest. Let's just spray it on skin here. Actually, the atomizer is nice. Okay, I'll give it some kudos. I'll give it some kudos. I'm getting in, you know, the alcoholic tinge at the top. Right off the get-go, I don't like it at all. I'm getting kind of like a liquory kind of maltness in here, definitely. Right off the initial first impressions, this is not for me. The presentation, the box, the everything except the atomizer. The atomizer is great. The smell is atrocious though. It is calming down a little bit. It is getting there. It's nice. I'm gonna probably have to spend some time with this one. I'm not gonna give any impressions on this one just yet because right now it's not sitting good with me, but I have like 15 different fragrances on me. I smell like a whore. I smell like Congress when they're trying to push their bills. I'm not going to, I'm not gonna judge it prematurely here, because a lot of people say it's a very good fragrance. The bottle is absolutely stupid, but you know. But like a lot of you guys say, it's not about the bottle, it's about what's inside. It's coming across kind of sweet, kind of alcoholic, good and bad. Like the note of alcohol, like the note of a whiskey or something like that kind of style, but also the alcoholic bad tinge too. And then some kind of like woody character as well. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna do some wearings of it. Have you tried any of these fragrances? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts on any of these. Do you like Pure Star Man? Pure Man Star? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. You guys are always an inspiration to me, so throw them down there. Take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.